This chapter is about how to use layout view. Click layout view on the right column. We can perform layout operations on this page according to the on-site lighting arrangement. How to delete the content of the layout interface? Click Setup. Click Performance Management. Click Operation Show. Click Delete all layouts. Click Yes. Prompt Delete successfully. Click Layout View. How to add fixture into layout view? Click Normal Mode. Switch to Edit Mode. Click the add icon. Then click on any blank position. A window will pop up. Select fixtures we need to add into layout view. The selected fixture displays a blue background color. Click OK. The fixture has been successfully added to the layout view. Click Adaptive. Automatically adjust the display scale. We can also manually zoom out or zoom in. Click Adaptive to quickly adjust the display ratio. Let's select the fixtures from 11 to 20. After selecting them, we can drag it to another position. At this time, we can't click Adaptive because the fixture is still in the selected state. We need to click on the blank position to deselect fixture. Then click Adaptive. It will automatically adjust the display ratio. Click on the add icon. Click on any blank position. Select the power light in the pop-up window. Click OK. Power light has been added successfully. Select power lights. Drag to the next line. Then click on blank position to deselect. If we accidentally add a beam light, how do we delete her? Click the minus icon. Then select the beam light we want to delete. Successfully delete her. It is only deleted in the layout interface, not deleted from the patch interface. Click Adaptive. Click Add icon. Then click on any blank position. Select the remaining 30 beam lights. Click OK. Click Adaptive. Select these 30 beam lights. Let's make a matrix for these beam lights. Click on the matrix. Click column and set 6 column. Click row and set 5 row. A purple preview window will appear. Click application. The fixture applies the matrix data we just set. We can pull the scroll bar to the interface below. Click on any blank position to deselect fixture. Then click on the adaptive. Let's zoom in and see the order of the fixtures. Order sorting 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. How to change from horizontal to vertical order? Let's click on adaptive. Then select these 30 beam lights. After selecting, click on the matrix. But we can't find the matrix. How to do it? We can click on this link icon. Then select these 30 beam lights. Click on the matrix. Then click Y to X. Click application. Click zoom in and view the order of fixtures. Click blank position to deselect fixture. Change from horizontal to vertical sorting. This is the meaning of Y to X. Select these fixtures. What is column spacing and the row spacing? Corresponding to the third and fourth encoder wheels. Rotating encoder will say to adjust column spacing. Column spacing is the distance between columns. Default is 100. Click column spacing enter 100. Rotating encoder will tell to adjust row spacing. Row spacing is the distance between rows. Default is 100. Click row spacing enter 100. Click on blank position to deselect fixture. In edit mode, select the fixture. We cannot light up fixture by press locate button. Must click edit mode. Switch to normal mode. Then select fixtures. Press locate to light up fixtures. Press clear. Select the fixture in the first column. Press locate to light up. These are the fixtures on the left. Select the fixture in the last column. Press locate to light up fixture. This is the light in the middle right of the stage frame. Select the fixture in the second to last column. Press locate to light up fixture. This is the light in the middle left of the stage frame. We can move the lights in the fifth column to the left. This layout will make it easier for us to select fixtures. Press clear. Let's click on the normal mode. Switch to edit mode. Then select the fifth column fixtures and move it to the left. Then we can move the last column fixtures apart a little. Click adaptive. Click edit mode. Switch to normal mode. Our system has 20 pages of layout interface. We can long press the number to modify the name of the layout page. Such a second page is layout view with beam lights. Enter beam. The name of the second page has been changed. The content of each page layout is independent and does not affect each other. Click More. We can select a background image as layout view's background. For example, we can use this orange color. Click OK. Then our background image will be imported. We can zoom in or zoom out this background. We can also adjust the transparency. Click Clear Background Image to clear it. The above content is about the application of Layout View.